Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Dacia Dokker, a model that blends practicality, affordability, and surprising versatility. Dacia has always been about value for money, and with the latest Dokker, they've stepped up their game in more ways than one. From the outside, the 2026 Dokker carries a refreshed design that's more modern and appealing compared to its predecessors. The front grille has been sharpened with a sleek chrome outline, while the LED headlights bring a touch of sophistication that was often missing in earlier models. Its boxy silhouette remains intact, but it's now smoother, giving the van-like profile a more car-like charm. The higher roofline ensures plenty of headroom, while sliding rear doors add to the practicality, making it a perfect choice for families, small businesses, or anyone who needs both space and comfort, still offering the essentials that matter most. For buyers who value function over flash, it's hard to ignore what this car delivers. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Dokker is a budget-friendly workhorse that doesn't compromise on space, utility, or everyday convenience. It may not be packed with luxury features, but it gives you exactly what you need at a price that makes sense. That wraps up today's review.